Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to design price tags, sales tag, name tag in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First, you have to select your presentation and select a blank page. Now go on Insert tab and choose Shape from Shape icon and drag the shape to your blank page. Now customize it in your way by shape filling or shape giving the outline to the shape or giving shape effect. You can see here there are several options. You can customize it in your way or you can add text also. So I'm making price tag, so I'm giving a price, and by selecting the text you can also customize it by text filling, like give it a color or giving text outline and giving text effect like shadow, reflection. You can customize it by your own. Now, making the shape more reliable, go on Insert tab and choose a curve shape and drag the shape and make a curve to make it more reliable. This will help you. Yeah, okay. So you can also customize the curve. So this you will, and that's it. You have just designed a custom price tag, sale, and name tag in PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.